Most workplace conflict is not caused by bad intentions, it's caused by lack of psychological safety and fear of being misunderstood. We usually approach tough tasks and with our armor on, which only invites defensiveness. Welcome to EmpathyOS. I'm Madan, final year of my BTech, pursuing with specialization with AI branch. So is not just another AI tool. It's an organizational intelligence platform designed to help leaders lead with both love and accountability. Where we have built a micro coaching experience that ground every conversation in empathy, respect, and courageous honesty. So let me go through the application, how it actually works, and we are having the four steps, which is that clarify, draft, anticipate, and reflect. So before diving to that, I need to explain what is methodology, how the core pillars are helping to build a love and conversation between among the work culture, empathy and understanding, courageous honesty, shared purpose, vulnerability. So these are the four-step loop, and this is our manifesto. Work is not just about transactions; it's about relationships. So to build a to strong relationships among the working culture. This is how we have been taken the initiation to build this. And the organization intelligence, where you can see the graphical analysis of the whole company dashboard. Let me deep dive into the demo part. So clarify your intent where you are going to enter all these options. So where you can enter, you can tell to the system through your voice dictation also, through your voice pronunciation, it's going to automatically detect in which the position you are in. So based on that, you are going to in which way you are going to send a response to the company. And after filling everything, I'm going to uh, click it, applying the six pillars, filtering for clarity and love. So after coach perspective, these are the reframed intent and your blind spot and their reality. So it's going to detect the whole background of the conversation behind what it happened. After continuing to the draft, second stage, which comes to this, here your initial draft, you are trying to tell them. So we are going to analyze the whole simple draft and we are going to give you an enhanced and expanded with the love and conversation to save your job and all those things to tell them in a professional way. Recommended approach, this is things. So here the six pillars are already applied. Why this works better? These are the steps which is going to share you that. And here you are going to see you're going to send as a mail, Slack, webhook, or empathy bridge and see in the Slack. This is how it looks in the Slack conversation. Why this stands out rather than the ChatGPT and the LLM models? Because we are not just giving some random response. We are making the employee position understand based on that we are providing everything. So when I click anticipate and prepare, this is how it's going to take a few seconds to load the conversation background. And here we can see the defensive way, annoxious and delivered. You can have these conversations with your mails and that as a real chats. When I had completed my chat, where I'm going to enter the few responses from them. So I need to tell you what it happened after completion of my conversation. So it's going to analyze that. It's going to prevent you from the next upcoming conversations. This is the final step of it. And When I click new start conversation, I'm going to redirect it to the back page. So Empathy OS is about bringing humanity back to the workplace. It's about having the courage to be honest and hard to be kind. Because when we lead with love, we don't just solve problems, we build cultures that last. Thank you so much.